Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Nappy Gabby here, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to start locks on kids, and my daughter Adriana will be gracing my chair today. Yeah, her name is Adriana, and I'm sure you have seen her on this channel before. She is 2 years old, and it's been a struggle doing her hair, so I decided to lock her hair just like to save myself all the headache. Okay guys, so I just using gel to clean her parts and to make them neat. So what I'm doing here is I'm just basically interlocking, but I'm using my fingers to interlock the hair, and you don't go in the same direction twice. Yeah guys, so when it reaches where my finger can no longer go through, I use a crochet needle. As you're going to see, this is really easy. I find that it is faster than using a crochet needle. So as you can see guys, this is pretty easy, and I'm sure if this is your first time we like to try it, you can easily get the hang of it. And I'll advise that you watch from the beginning to the end, because there's a little trick I use at the end of this video, so you want to stay tuned for that. And also guys, please, to my new subscribers, hello and welcome to the family, and don't also forget to subscribe before you leave, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of August. So yeah guys, I would like for you to support me and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. And to all my old subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for always sticking by me. And yeah guys, I'm just twisting the ends of the hand. I'm going to palm roll it so that it stays in place. So yeah guys, the video is pretty much self-explanatory, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Listen, guys, using mousse to set your locks is the best thing that has happened since jollof rice. I mean, if you want to set your locks and tame all the flyaway hair, mousse is definitely the way to go. Try it and I assure you, you will not do without mousse again. So yeah guys, I use mousse to tame locks and to set it. And yeah, this is basically it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, and please to my newest subscribers, thank you guys for joining the family. And if you've not decided to subscribe yet because of this one video, I'm going to leave other videos in my description box, and please make sure you check it out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.